Hello 5D. So I just wanted to make a video about what you should and should not be doing when you're working with your argument teams. What you should be doing is over here. What you should not be doing is over here. You should be reading through every team member's essays to see what their points are and the evidence and making decisions about which do you think are going to be the best reasons and the best evidence. You should also be looking through articles to figure out what the reasons for the other team are, what they might be. Working together to write the position paper. And I'll have some videos available to watch when it comes to things like counterclaims and faulty reasoning. So you'll want to make sure to watch those. What you should not be doing at all is spying on the other teams or using your web camera at all. That should not be happening. That should not be happening. So we'll see how it goes today. You know what you should and should not be doing. Thanks.